To fix your TransUnion credit score, start by analyzing your credit report. You can request a free TransUnion credit report on annualcreditreport.com. Your credit report contains a decade's worth of credit information. So read through it carefully and note the areas that are negatively impacting your score. Next, dispute any irregularities you find, such as incorrect personal information, suspicious activity, closed accounts that are still reported as open, incorrect delinquent status, incorrect debt listings, or incorrect balances. TransUnion has an online dispute platform that can help with this process. After identifying and addressing these issues, adopt healthy financial habits, including paying bills on time, settling debts, and maintaining a low utilization ratio. Finally, monitor your credit reports after paying off debts, as you should start to see changes to your credit score. You can also add a customer statement to clarify any issues with your report. By following these steps, you can work towards fixing your TransUnion credit score.